Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for navigating the crypto market and unlocking financial freedom. Are you tired of hearing stories about people who got in early on altcoins and made life-changing profits? Do you wish you could find the next big altcoin before it blows up? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to find altcoins before they explode in value. From using advanced tools to analyzing key metrics, I'll guide you step by step through strategies that can help you discover hidden gems. Stay until the end because I'll also reveal a list of essential tools you can use to stay ahead of the game and make better investment decisions. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Ready to uncover the secrets of altcoin hunting? Let's dive in. Part 1. What are altcoins and why do they blow up? Before we jump into finding them, let's quickly break down what altcoins are and why they gain massive value. Altcoins are any cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. Examples include Ethereum, Solana, and smaller cap coins with unique use cases. Why they blow up? 1. Innovative use cases. Altcoins that solve real-world problems tend to attract attention. 2. Hype and FOMO. Social media buzz and influencer backing can push coins to new heights. 3. Market trends. Sectors like DeFi, NFTs, and gaming often drive demand for altcoins. The goal is to identify these projects before they gain mainstream attention. Part 2. Strategies to find altcoins before they blow up. Here are the top strategies to uncover promising altcoins early. 1. Explore new listings on exchanges. Major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin often list new projects. Why it works? Coins tend to pump after listing due to increased exposure. Pro tip: use tools like CoinStats to track listing announcements in real time. 2. Check out decentralized exchanges DEXs. Platforms like Uniswap and PancakeSwap often host new projects before they reach centralized exchanges. Why it works? Early access to projects before mainstream adoption. Pro tip: research liquidity pools and trading volumes to assess risk. 3. Monitor social media and communities. Follow discussions on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. Why it works? Social sentiment often drives early interest in altcoins. Pro tip: use tools like Glassnode to verify on-chain activity and see if the hype is backed by real user adoption. 4. Research token utility and fundamentals. Look for projects with clear use cases, strong development teams, and active roadmaps. Why it works? Fundamental strength often predicts long-term success. Pro tip: use TradingView to analyze price trends and entry points. 5. Analyze on-chain data. On-chain analytics platforms like Glassnode can help you identify early investor activity and wallet accumulation. Why it works? Rising activity often indicates growing interest and adoption. Pro tip: look for signs of accumulation by whales, as they often move the market. 6. Keep an eye on launchpads and IDOs. Platforms like Binance Launchpad and Polkastor are great for discovering new projects. Why it works? These platforms vet projects, reducing risk and increasing potential ROI. Pro tip: participate in pre-sales to get in at the ground level. Part 3. Essential tools to find altcoins. Here are some tools every altcoin hunter should have. CoinStats. Track and manage your portfolio while staying updated on new listings. TradingView. Use charts and technical analysis to identify potential breakout points. Glassnode. Dive into on-chain metrics like active addresses, volume, and whale movements. 3. Automate your trading strategy to capture early price movements. Twitter and Reddit. Follow influencers and communities that consistently discuss new projects. Part 4. Risk management when investing in altcoins. Investing in altcoins can be incredibly profitable, but also risky. Here are 5 tips to protect your investments. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across multiple altcoins to minimize risk. 2. Set stop-loss orders. Use platforms like 3 to automate stop-loss orders and protect your capital. 3. Do your own research. Never invest based solely on hype. Use tools like Glassnode and TradingView to verify the data. 4. Start small. Invest small amounts initially to test the waters before going all in. 5. Secure your investments. Store your altcoins in a hardware wallet like Ledger or SafePool to prevent hacks. Look at my video in the description for crypto security tips. Finding the next big altcoin before it blows up is all about research, timing, and using the right tools. By following these strategies, you can position yourself to discover hidden gems and make smarter investments. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for links to helpful tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.